Brands like Revlon uses carmine from insects in their Ultra HD lipsticks, where Neutrogena use pork fat in their products. Self-care is all about pampering your own self, but at the same time, you should be aware of the things while using them. Which is the brand you are using for your glam look? Makeup is the birthright of every girl out there. But if you are not using correct applicator, which will obviously be the reason for your early signs of aging. Whenever people hear the word vegan, they think it as diet restriction only. People have the wrong assumption of being a vegan means you don't have to consume meat or any kind of dairy product. People having misconception of lack of nutrition in vegan product. Having meat might harm your body, but applying the animal products is even more prone to dullness, rough and dry skin. Maybe you are using good variety of skincare products, but your cosmetic is ruining your glam game, girls. People think applying makeup can damage the skin, but this is not the exact truth. Applying wrong makeup with the harsh ingredients cause it to do so. If you were asked to eat something without even telling you what actually is there in the food, how it is being prepared or what are the eatables is there in it, will you eat it?
No.
Just because you can't put anything inside your body without having proper labeling of ingredients, then how you can do this with your skin? Either it's makeup or a skincare. They are crucial part of your own beauty, your looks. Of course, everyone wants to be beautiful and girls love compliments, but without giving a look at the ingredients, what are you applying is like getting harsh to your own self. Choosing vegan products is also a great way to give up more thoughts to what you are buying for your own self and have more to the moderate and minimalistic approach to buy the items we require. Like this way, we are more likely to minimize waste. And if you are someone who loves to apply makeup and at the same time don't want to compromise with the health of your skin, then switching to vegan makeup is your cup of tea. Especially when so many animal products lurking everywhere, shopping for vegan beauty products is a great place to start. Makeup and other beauty products have been known to include urine, groundhogs, insects, sheep wool and so much more. If you cannot eat these ingredients, then why you want to put them on your skin where they can get absorbed into your body? Just because most of the ingredients couldn't be pronounced, maybe that is why we fail to recognize them on the label of ingredients, on the label of your packaging of your product. I'll tell you some of the ingredients that will surprise you and are there in your cosmetics. Number 1, guanine. These ingredients is extract from the fish scale and found in personal care products such as lipsticks, nail polish to achieve a polished and shine. And you know what? The scraping scale of dead fishes make your eyeshadows, highlighters and blushers glittery and shiny. Guanine, which is listed as CI75170 in the cosmetic, it consists of two purees, guanine and hypoxanthine, which is used to reduce the clear and transparent appearance of product and can be used in skin makeup for hiding blemishes. But if you use vegan makeup consists of leguminous plant, synthetic pearl or aluminum and bronze particles, they are just absolutely safe on your skin. Scientists have called the skin the window in making the switch to vegan cosmetics in your good to glam look, as they are not only prepared with natural ingredients but also help you to look and feel better from the inside out. Because they ensure not to compromise with the skin health. The quality of the skin can be reflection of how your internal organs is feeling. And these are some of the most used products in your makeup, isn't it? How can someone go out without foundation? And these are the base of our makeup. Your makeup base, your foundation, tallow is one of the main ingredients found in the foundation. Tallow, which is commonly known as animal fat, what actually happens is in this In the process, it involved boiling the carcasses of slaughtered animals until a fatty substance is produced. Then is getting ready to add in the cosmetics and apply to your face. But if you think as deleting your base step can solve the issue, it's not. In fact, foundation and makeup base is not the only product. Tallow is also a common ingredient in many cosmetics, including eye makeup and lipsticks. Maybe you people agree to stop using them, but what about the skin repairing products and brands who claim to prevent you from damaged skin? Also those skin friendly antioxidant and other nutrients which keep skin healthy and strong. They also have the same ingredient tallow. These products have been produced and made with the natural antimicrobial properties of tallow, which helps to prevent acne and breakouts. If you don't want to skip your base part, then I have few suggestions for you. These are the best brands along with the products available in the market. For expensive side, we have Smashbox Cosmetics Studio Skin 24 Hours Wear Hydrating Foundation, Too Faced Cosmetic Bond with This Way Foundation, Charlotte Tilbury. For a low budget range, I would like to suggest you like ELF, Disguise and IBA. Now carmine, also known as cochineal extract, is taken from a cochineal bug. It extracts from sun-dried and crushed bugs. When the bug got crushed, an intense red dye is produced and then they got mixed with the carmine acid to create the red pigmentations. And this is how our red, pink lipsticks and even blushers is manufactured. Along with it, we have shellac, commonly used in all nail products. Shellac is a resin that is contained from the female lacbugs. I'm not saying you to stop using the lipstick or blushers. When in vegan, it all can be fixed with the plant-based ingredients. In vegan, all these can get from protein called zein and which is found in maize. And these are some of the best vegan lipsticks in the town. Biotic Natural Makeup Magic Color Lipstick Fair Beauty, Lotus Makeup Pure Color Matte Lip Color, IB Halal Care Pure Lip Long Stay Matte Lipstick, The Body Shop Matte Lipstick, Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Captured Matte Lipstick. Instead of rubbing harsh chemical onto your skin that can speed up the aging process, you should stick to natural healthy ingredients in your cosmetics too. Since our skin is the largest organ in our body, it is our utmost responsibility to take care of it. Whatever we eat or drink, it detoxified by our liver and kidney. And this is scientifically proven that whatever cosmetics and makeup you are applying on your skin get absorbed straight into the bloodstream to circulate freely throughout the body. And this is the main reason nowadays people are having skin related issues as well as facing early signs of aging and rough or dull skin. Brands like Revlon uses carmine from insects in their Ultra HD lipsticks, where Neutrogena use pork fat in their products. Actually, pig fat add that much needed and design glow to the lipstick. Plus, it adds the texture to it. Some of the booming brands like Maybelline, which is another heavy hitter in the industry, report shows that Maybelline utilize pig fat in their lipstick. Some report shows that Avon and Physician Formula also have urea, animal urine and carmine in them. What make your eyelashes too thick? It is the mascara. Well, it is due to the collagen which derive from animal bones and ligaments. To make the eyelashes thick, particularly they use collagen into it. You might be want to get rid of it, but removing tons of animal derived makeup, again the same kind of product is used called lanolin, which is used in most of the makeup remover and it excretes from woolen bearing mammals. Unfortunately, it is hard to find what and which brand to choose because most of the brands are misleading you in the name of organic and natural. But they are not safe and they still have the same animal derived ingredients in it by changing the name of the ingredients on the label. But check the packaging and logos before finalize what actually supposed to be added in your shopping cart. I have made a detailed video on vegan skincare and logos to check for authentic vegan products you can watch it. People have wrong assumption that to get goodness you have to spend extra bucks, but this is not exactly the truth. Vegan makeup runs the entire spectrum of price range from affordable to expensive. Vegan makeup should fit comfortably into almost every budget. In the one-on-one game, vegan wins. Vegan cosmetics have tend to last longer and apply to the skin more smoothly than many of its non-vegan counterparts. Choose what best for your skin and should be 100% free from pig fat, bones or ligaments or any other animal derived ingredients and harmful preservatives such as parabens. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you next time, guys.